Hi, you call a locksmith?
Yes.
Okay. Let's take a look here. Hi, my name's Christian. Hi.
Alec.
Nice to meet you.
You too. Oh, you want to open it? Sorry.
No
I
worries.
just don't want to use the key to open it. But
Okay.
yeah, so this is the lock.
Okay.
Do you want to?
Yeah, do you have the existing key for this lock?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Alrighty.
And would it be easier to just like change the whole lock, or is?
Probably easiest to just rekey this one.
Oh, really?
Yeah, with this one, I don't even have to take it off the door.
Oh, really?
So, yeah. Alrighty. If I could get that existing key.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'll.
Sorry.
Take it off here. So it's
This one there. Okay. Perfect. Alrighty. I will be back, okay?
Okay.
Alrighty. I'll set those there for now. And I'll just leave my tools here. Absolutely. Sorry, I locked myself out.
No, you're
Thanks.
okay.
Oh, there you are. After you. Absolutely. Alrighty.
Yeah, but he wouldn't. But now he won't be able to at least get into here unless he's desperate enough to break it open. But I did tell him how I think I can break in through one of my windows. If he's not crazy enough to do that, right? He wouldn't be that desperate.
If you're asking the question, you've already got an answer. My job deals with a lot of like domestic, like all sorts of craziness.
Mm-hmm.
If you even have the question, you've got an answer. And I'm not going to get into the politics of it, but I would just recommend this to everybody. Get a gun. So, sorry, I hate to eavesdrop, but
No, that's okay.
all right, you guys are all set.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Oh,
so
sweet.
there's that for you.
Okay.
Set those out there. Perfect. Okay, awesome. Well, you guys have a great night, okay?
Yeah, you too.
Thank you.